Make a double ear twist. Twist a 5-finger-wide bubble from each of the 2 dark green balloons. Twist them together. Twist a 3-finger-wide bubble on the right balloon. Twist a 5-finger-wide bubble on the left balloon, and twist them together. The next steps are the same as before. Twist a 5-finger-wide bubble on each of the 2 dark green balloons. The other 2 balloons, one side with all 3-finger-width bubbles, and the other side with all 5-finger-width bubbles. Continue weaving like this until the end. The garland is finished. Next, we will make some small decorations for the garland. Please watch my previous video for the tutorials of bows and mini gift boxes. I will also put the link in the description so that everyone can find them.